Most people think you have to be monetized with 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours before you can make a dime from YouTube, but that's simply not true. In this video, I'm sharing 5 powerful ways you can start making money on YouTube right now, even if you are sitting on 23 subscribers or 0 watch hour. No monetization, no adverts, no problem. These are the exact strategies creators are using in this 2025 to turn small channel into real income stream. So if you're ready to turn your YouTube hustle into actual income, grab a notebook. Let's go. So welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Calista and I got monetized on YouTube in just 2 months, that is 60 days, without paid adverts or without going viral. I started from 0 just like you, and now I help other creators grow their channel and get monetized and turn their content into cash, real cash. So whether you're new or you're just impatient or you're just starting, no problem, just sit down and enjoy this video. By the way, this is not the channel that I got monetized. Before some of you will start thinking that I'm not monetized here yet. Yes, this is not the channel. I have another channel. So sit down and enjoy the video. Now before we dive into this video, let's quickly bust this myth. So we all know that YouTube monetization is equivalent or equals to only AdSense. Yeah, and AdSense is just one income stream. Yeah, and it's one of the smallest for most new YouTubers. Real creators make money in multiple ways, and I'm going to show you these 5 ways you can make money and they don't need any monetization. So let's dive into this video. So number 1 on my list is affiliate marketing, and this is my favorite and it is the easiest to start. So all you need to do is to promote tools, products and services in your video, then get a unique link. If someone buys through your link, you are going to earn a commission. Example, if you promote YouTube tools like TubeBuddy, Canva or Restream, you add the link in your description. Just mention it in your video that you added a link in your description. Anybody that buys through that your link, you earn a commission. And it works for even small channels. No, it doesn't select. It works for affiliate marketing. Anybody can do it. And so number 2 on my list is selling digital products. So this, if you're creative enough, this is where your creativity is going to land you some cash. Here you're going to sell digital product like ebook, Notion templates, YouTube thumbnail packs, checklists, anything you can think of that you can create on your own. You can create them, then attach, sell them. Then for you to create this digital product, some tools that will help you, Gumroad or Payhips, they will make your work easy. And to think of it, it is 100% profit. All the profit you're making is you're the owner. Then you're not keeping any inventory because it's digital. The person just buys and download. It's as simple as that. Then you own everything. You created the book, you own everything that comes out of it. So it's very nice idea if you're creative enough. So number 3 on my list is rendering services. Here, if you're good at anything, if you're good at something, I think you can turn it into cash. Yes. Because these days, you don't need to dull on anything. If you're good at anything, things like coaching or editing or helping people to do anything, you can turn it into cash. Like you can teach someone about YouTube growth. That is one-on-one coaching. Then you can, if you're good at thumbnail, you can render services for editing thumbnail for some people. Then you collect your money. They pay you, you render your own services. Then another thing, if you can edit, they can pay you, do your thing. And here, you even turn your subscribers into high-ticket clients. Is that this one? If you're good at that, you're going to make your money. So the 4th one is brand partnership. You can even start with small brands. Yes, you don't need 100k subscribers to land a brand deal these days. Gone are those days. Micro influencers are very hot in this year 2025. If you know, you know. I'm talking from experience in my YouTube. Micro influencers, they are very they're very hot in this year 2025. Yeah, even with 500 subscribers. If your niche is tight, like YouTube tips, like finance or skincare, all this skincare, this thing, brands may want to work with you. You understand? And another thing, if brand doesn't come to you, you can pinch them. You don't need to wait. If you really mean business and you really want to work with brands, some of them you can even pinch them, as in tell them that you want to work with them. If they want to, they will comply. And here it doesn't have much competition, depending on your niche. So this one is a nice idea for you to make extra income aside your YouTube monetization. So the 5th on my list now is selling merch or physical product. Before we talk about digital products, so here now is physical products. This one is optional but very fun, especially when you have loyal followers. Yeah, here you can create t-shirts or mugs or digital quotes. Yes, you can create them, print them. You can use print on demand. Printful, Printify, then link them in your description. You can even advertise it casually or anywhere because it's your product. Then when someone buys it, put the link in the description. When someone buys it, the money is yours. You're not sharing the money with me or anybody. So this one I think is very nice, and I have this kind of thing. It's linked to my other YouTube channel, so I like it. So here is the real game. You don't need to start with only one now. Here, just start with 2, 3 of these, all these things I've mentioned, and start building income before you even qualify for AdSense. Example, start with affiliate marketing, then add a simple ebook to it, then you can do coaching, one-on-one coaching, or even group coaching at least once a week. This isn't magic. It's not magical. Now it's strategic. It's strategy, pure strategy plus consistency. You're going to get your results. So if this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to this channel if today is the first day you're coming across this channel. And so just so you know, I drop videos every week on this channel on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to get your YouTube channel monetized, and how to turn your content into cash. Tell me in the comment section, which method are you starting first? Is it affiliate marketing? Is it digital product or something else? Just tell me in the comment section. And if you want help creating your first stream of income, comment ready below, and I might make a video on that. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.